You can see there's a remnant of an old fence post here. So signs that, yeah, this would have been an area used for logging. We're on a bit of a flat part just down here, and now we're going to be going up the next steep part. We're currently at 1330 meters, almost at the top, highest peak in Southeast Queensland. This is the one decent view we're going to get today. All the other peaks and ridges that we're hiking through, it's all just dense jungle like we've been walking through. So this is the one small clearing where we get a decent view. This way, looking towards the north that way. If you keep going, you'll get to eventually gaps through the mountains like Cunningham's Gap, Mount Mitchell climb, which I did a while back. Definitely have to go back there, do Mount Cordeaux and a few of the others. There's tons of hikes throughout all this here Main Range National Park that I want to go and do. Beautiful day today. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's a high of 22 degrees up here, so that's absolutely perfect weather. Walking among some massive tree ferns here. Some very ancient forest around here. Okay, we found the track again. We were off it for about an hour, so that's definitely added a reasonable detour to the trek. At this rate, we'll probably be descending down back to the car in darkness. We found it, guys. We found it. All right, hopefully we don't get lost. Let's get back on track, and yeah, we need to make up for lost time. This one here is a reishi mushroom. Apparently this is also good for some herbal tea.
No joke, this walk.
This is definitely up there compared with what I've done.
Yeah. If you're up for it, do Mount Barney.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I've done
I
that.
want to do that one since a while.
Way bigger than this.
Much steeper climb.
A much more height gain.
That log there that I just climbed down here was not part of the trail. The trail is here, so yeah, I wandered off track. So easy to do. It's so hard to stay on track here. Oh, it's late in the afternoon. It's about, what time is it? It's about 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 4 p.m. So we've been at it for over 10 hours now.